Today, we're going all in on the latest and greatest from Apple, the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Hold on to your hats because we're about to dig deep into the Ultra 2. Imagine it like this: it's got a turbo boost in its hardware, a seriously awesome display upgrade, and this mind-blowing new feature that lets you control stuff with cool hand movements. Yep, it's like something out of a sci-fi movie. But as always, with the good comes the not so good, and we're not holding back on that either. So buckle up as we unravel the tech wonders and spill the tea on any downsides with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Design and display. Ladies and gents, gear up for the lowdown on the Apple Watch Ultra 2, where innovation meets familiarity in a slick wrist package. If you've been following the Apple Watch journey since the early days, the design won't surprise you. The Ultra 2 sticks to its bold and rugged roots, larger in size at 49mm, but hey, if you love the original Ultra, you'll feel right at home. Imagine your favorite Apple Watch features amplified and ready to rock. That's the Ultra 2 for you. The iconic digital crown, side button, and a new action button for shortcuts, like kicking off a workout, are all present and more prominent. It's like having your control center at your fingertips, literally. Sure, the appearance is familiar, but there's a green twist. The Ultra 2 and its straps are all carbon neutral, a tech win for Mother Earth. The color game, though, remains the same with the sleek natural titanium finish. It's a classy gray look, but hey, we all have our style wishes, right? Maybe a darker hue for some variety? Now let's talk about that display. Brightness boost alert. The Ultra 2's display cranks up from an already impressive 2000 nits to a dazzling 3000 nits. Picture a screen that's not just bright, but mountaintop bright. Your visuals pop, with colors that practically dance. While everyday use might not show off this feature, it's a game changer under the blazing sun or in super vibrant settings. Hardware. Let's break down the powerhouse that is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Picture a lightning bolt of a processor, the S9 chip. It's like strapping a rocket to your wrist, boosting speeds by a hopping 30% compared to its predecessor, the Watch Ultra. What does this mean? Lightning-fast Siri responses right on your wrist. No more detours to your iPhone and back. Plus, say hello to Double Tap, a cool new move that lets you do things like answer calls or swipe through widgets, all with a quick double tap of your fingers. It's like magic at your fingertips. Battery life, a concern for many, remains steady at a respectable 36 hours in standard mode and a jaw-dropping 72 hours in low-power mode. Now here's a fun fact. The Ultra 2 is your ultimate adventure buddy, offering an expanded altitude range of up to 9,000 meters. Everest climbers, this one's for you. The Dive app got a tune-up too, making your underwater adventures even better. Now let's talk sensors, the heartbeat of any smartwatch. The Ultra 2 is loaded with an array: heart rate, blood oxygen, body temperature, and more. It's like having a health wizard on your wrist. And for the explorers out there, precision GPS and a host of other nifty features make sure you're ready for any adventure. From climbing mountains to diving deep, this watch has got your back. Features. Dive into the tech waves with the Apple Watch Ultra 2, a wrist warrior built to conquer the deep. Imagine having a smart sidekick that laughs at water, certified to diving up to 100 meters. That's deep sea levels of cool. Plus, it's tougher than a tank, flaunting IPX6, MIL Standard 810H, and EN 13319 ratings. Certifications? This watch collects them like badges of honor. Now let's talk software magic. WatchOS 10, the wizard behind the curtain. The Ultra 2 not only rocks the latest watchOS, but also shares the spotlight with its predecessor, the Watch Ultra. It's a snooze fest for neither, packing the cool features like the Snoopy watch face, the cycling app, and the widget wonders. But here's the twist. The Ultra 2 gets an exclusive backstage pass to the Double Tap show. It's like being at a VIP concert only for your wrist. A smooth groove guaranteed by the performance upgrades dances to the beat of that new S9 chip. And that is a wrap on today's video. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 steps into the ring, ready to take on the world. While it's true that it's a smartwatch with a heart for adventurers, it's not leaving the everyday tech aficionado behind. We did hope for a little more in the style department, maybe a splash of colors or sizes to suit everyone's taste, but hey, the upgrades in this model are like adding a turbo boost to a sports car. The display is a true dazzler, lighting up your wrists like never before. And speaking of cool, Double Tap is the new secret handshake, making our interaction with the Ultra 2 feel like a futuristic dance. Let's not forget the chip upgrade, injecting some serious power into this smartwatch. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll catch you in the next one.